Hello everyone. We're back with another video. Most recently, there's another video on people's galleries of animatronics in their workshop. And I know y'all are sending me stuff, but most of this stuff is stuff I already have. Like, there's someone who keeps giving me, Jacko Chicas. I don't need it. I recently unfriended someone, or removed them, because they wouldn't stop spamming me something I already have. But yeah. I am missing a lot of animatronics. But there is one person that has been helping me a lot. This is Silas H. He's been sending me a lot of Balloon Boys. Haven't got his plush suit yet, but been helping him out. He's been getting Mangle, Jacko Chica, and Jacko Bonnie. He actually got the plush suits, so congrats to you. You should check out his channel. Go to YouTube. Ooh, you should not be looking at that. This is his channel. This is the video that, well, I helped him in. But yeah. He said I recently got Mango, Jacko Bonnie, and Jacko Chica thanks to Selfishly. Go check him out. Yeah. I was helping him out a lot. So, also congratulations for getting that plush suit. And appreciate the help and support. Anyways, the tokens are officially gone. Replaced with coins. The only way you can get your tokens now is from buying fast coins. I know it's a pain to do that, but this is the only way you can get your fast coins now. I don't know why these are here. I don't know why Balloon Boy, Foxy, and Ballora profile packs are here. I kind of want the Freddy Frostbear one. But, yeah. Wait. You can't look at this. I cannot afford it, sadly. So yeah. I'm trying to get Frost Plush Trap, but tokens aren't here anymore. As you can see, I only got this much. And this is the amount I need. So yeah. Kind of put in a tough situation. But yeah. Well, this is my locker so far of animatronics. Freddy Frostbear and his black eyes. Bonnie. Foxy. Jacko Chica. Jacko Bonnie. Mangle. Golden Freddy. Recently got Golden Freddy from FBI. See what the Frostbear black eye skin. Got Freddy Frostbear from someone else during the Christmas holiday. I got the Freddy Fazbear CPU from him. Thanks to you. I got the Chica CPU, I believe, from him as well. I don't know exactly. But yeah. As you can see, I do this for normal reasons. I keep my thing like this. People need anything, I just go to here. Like, let's say someone needed Freddy Frostbear. Listen. I'll send this to Sim because he actually does need it. If I go here, I still have other animatronics, like him, all those. But yeah, congratulations to you, FBI, old Silas H. But yeah, go check his channel out. His name is, in all caps, FBI. I know that won't work, and I can prove it. See? All you get is this. Whoa. I should probably edit that out. Which I probably won't be able to because I haven't edited before. I know I need some other stuff. Yeah. FBI. I don't know how to explain this. All I'm gonna say is you probably need to change the name, probably. Just because, well, I know it's hard to upload. It just makes it pain for me to upload. Because having to go through all of this. Oh, boy. Yes, I know this. I'm doing a really late upload. And I'd rather not show myself right now because I'm busy making videos right now. I rip on my TV. That is that's my Xbox, my controller. This is my headset. Okay, it's right here. Yeah. It's cold out here today. What the? Almost lost. It's bad if I lost, because I need the plush suit badly. If I get this plush suit now, then that would be nice. He hasn't texted me anything yet, so from the comment section, so I only imagine he's probably going to sleep. So there's a school night. Today's only Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. Doing a test from today to tomorrow. And yeah. I don't know why I shot. I'm an idiot for that. Just not smart. Probably should have really turned into a cloak. That's scary. Come on, Balloon Boy, just come out and decloak yourself. I wanted to wait because it looks funny when he does it. When he runs at you. No post suit, damn. Well, that sucks. I think there's a challenge here saying it is 6 lures. Reach a streak of 10, collect blue remnant. As y'all know, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lures. I can't use 6 of them because then that would just be a waste. I could use 4 of these and then 2 of these, but yet again, that I don't like to do that. Plus, the ones right here are limited time off, so I kind of want to save those. It'd be nice if I got another Black Ice Frostbear lure, but I mean, let's face it, I already have the skin. Do I really need it? Another one? I mean, it would be nice to go against him again, but I mean, like, Golden Freddy is a pain. I know I did not go against him with a CPU. Someone sent me in with a Freddy CPU, I believe. Kept spamming me at one day. I think it was like Monday. And I got the plush suit. So, I would have done a stream, but I can't like live stream right now. But yeah. Anyways, this is gonna conclude the video for right now. I'll do another upload at some point later on, not at 12 a.m. So if I see a comment saying that, I will, well, look up who you are. Maybe. I would rather not, but I mean, I probably shouldn't have said that. I mean, like, anyways, like, this guy's been sending me a lot of Jacko Chicas. I don't need him. I haven't gotten much from anyone else so far. Oh, this guy's been harassing me for stuff. I think Ramen Noodles is someone who's been sending me Chicas, I think, or it's Evil Peppermint, I don't know. But I'm trying to get more pursuits and skins, so yeah. But anyways, this video will be coming to an end. So yeah, I will see you guys in another video. Well, when I do another one. So, bye.